Hi, my name is Hutan, business partner for Sendero Specialty Coffee in Clapham, London. Music is super important for our customers and for our employees.
We, for example, have a lot of freelancers who come down to sit with their laptop, so it should be a music that's soothing in the background, but also could be quite active throughout the day.
Right before setting up the business, we realized that Spotify is not the legal way of streaming music in a business. We researched online and found Soundtrack. By using Soundtrack, you easily can manage the mood and the pace. Our staff choose the soundtrack they like to play for that moment and change it depending on the mood, the time of the day. You never really have to think about music anymore. It's everlasting.
The fact that you could use it offline was a good option for us. And it helps basically to not think about the music because you know Soundtrack is taking care of that part and you just have to manage the business.
And off you go, that's it. Very simple.